Good morning, students. Today we will do after, before and between. Okay, आपने पहले भी किया after, before and between. Now let's start. Take out your maths notebook, pencil and eraser. Now students, open your maths notebook. Write down today's date, 18 August 2020. Classwork. Write here numbers NUMBERS, numbers UP, up TO2 20. Okay, now leave one line, make star here. Write what comes after. After means बाद में. After means बाद में. Write here A part. What comes after 10? Write here 11. Okay, now B part. What comes after 19? Write here 20. C part. What comes after 15? 16. D part. What comes after 9? 10. Okay, now what comes after 12? 13. F part. What comes after 14? Here write 15. Okay, after means बाद में. 10. What comes after 10? 11. What comes after 19? 20. What comes after 15? 16. What comes after 9? 10. What comes after 12? 13. What comes after 14? 15. Now on the next page, again make star. Write what comes before. अब before means पहले. Before means पहले. Before means पहले वाला नंबर लिखना है आपको. Okay, now write A part. What comes before 9? 8. B part. What comes before 13? 12. What comes before 17? 17 के पहले 16. What comes before 20? 19. What comes before 14? 13. What comes before 7? 6. Okay, now G part. What comes before 4? 3. Okay, now look here. What comes before? Before means पहले. What comes before 9? 9 से पहले क्या आता है? 8. What comes before 13? 12. What comes before 13? 12. What comes before 17? 16. What comes before 20? 19. What comes before 14? 13. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 4? 3. Okay, now turn the page. Now on the next page, make star here. Write WHAT. What comes, COMES, comes in between. IN BETWEEN, between. What comes in between? Now write A part here. What comes between 9 and 11? 9 और 11 के बीच में क्या आता है? 10. one line leave. What comes between 17 and 19? 18. C part. What comes between 18 and 20? 19. D part. What comes between 15 and 17? 16. E part. What comes between 8 and 10? 9. What comes between 12 and 14? 13. G part. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. Okay, you have to practice it. Let's read again. What comes in between? In between means दो numbers के बीच में कौन सा number आता है? What number comes between 9 and 11? 10. What number comes between 17 and 19? 18. What comes between 18 and 20? 9. What number comes between 15 and 17? 16. What numbers come between 8 and 10? 9. What number comes between 12 and 14? 13. What numbers come between 5 and 7? 6. So do it carefully, neat and clean. Now student, open your maths book, page number 39. आपको open करना है. Look here, before, after and between. You already know before, after and between meaning. Before means पहले, after means बाद में, between means बीच में. हम before में क्या करते हैं? Before is one less than the given number. जो आपको counting given होती है उससे one number हम पहले वाला लिखते हैं. After is one more than the given number. और after में हम one number बाद वाला लिखते हैं. What come just before 13? अब 13 से पहले क्या आ रहा है? बिल्कुल उससे वन नंबर पहले 12. तो what comes just before 13? 13 से पहले कौन सा नंबर है? 12. जब हम before देखते हैं तो हम पहले वाला नंबर देखते हैं, ठीक है, और जब after देखते हैं तो हम आगे वाला नंबर देखेंगे. ओके, सो 12 come just before 13. What comes just after 13? अब 13 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? To get the number that comes just after 13, count one next from 13. 13 से हम next number count करेंगे. 13. What comes after 13? 14. Okay, so 14 comes just after 13. What comes between 12 and 14? अब 12 और 14 के बीच में क्या आता है? दोनों के सेंटर वाला नंबर देखना है हमें. ओके, व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 12 एंड 14? 13. 12 और 14 के बीच में क्या आएगा? 13. 13 कम्स बिटवीन 12 एंड 14. नाउ टर्न द पेज. लुक हियर. राइट द नंबर दैट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड बिटवीन. जो आपका बिफोर आता है, आफ्टर और बिटवीन आता है, वो नंबर आपको लिखने हैं. ये क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में करना है कंप्लीट. ओके ओके, 1 मैं आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ. बिफोर, व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 13? 12. ओके, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 10? 11. व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 11 एंड 13? 11, 12 एंड देन 30. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.